Hi guys, in this video I show you something very interesting. On the webpage thetruesize.com you can find the true size of each country in the world. For example, some presets here, United States. You can click it and drag it all around the world to see what is happening. Yes, if you go near the Ecuador, you can see it's smaller. If you go up, it's getting bigger. So the true size of the countries is not what you maybe learned on this standard map you can see here. The true size is what you see here. So it means if I take the United States, I can go everywhere. So you can see in comparison to Europe or Russia or China, how big the USA is. And yes, you can also do it with China here or even India. Just put it right next to Europe, for example, or yeah, South America, United States, everywhere. And yes, what I'm showing you now is very interesting because if I type here, for example, the country I want to check, Australia, enter, then this will be marked. So each country you are typing here will be marked like this. You can click here and drag it. And let's take Australia next to Europe. And this is what surprised me the most, because I always thought Australia is quite small. But guys, I'm totally wrong, because Australia is quite big. It's almost the same size from the area size as Europe. So guys, if you are interested, just check out thetruesize.com. It's very interesting for me. And yeah, just play around, check out the different countries. Also check out Japan, for example. Let's see. Japan. So if you go next to the equator, it's getting smaller and then it's getting bigger again. So if you put it near Norway, for example, yeah, it looks like it's bigger, right? So check it out and see you next time.